Contractors shot, leaving a job. One of them, a 21-year-old, responsible for taking care of his child's sister.
Yeah, today the homeowner faced a judge charged with murder. Joe Hinkie was in the courtroom looking for details on a possible motive from this crime in an East Cobb neighborhood. Joe?
Well, Jennifer, in court today, we learned Cobb County police found the gun they believe was used in the shooting inside of a box inside the defendant's garage. And they say they also have video from a doorbell camera showing the defendant with that gun shooting it at one of the victims. 68-year-old Larry Epstein sat quietly as Cobb County Police Detective Phil Stoddard testified. Stoddard said on March 6th, two electrical contractors, 21-year-old Jake Horn and 37-year-old Donnie Montcalm, went to Epstein's home. Stoddard said the pair worked at the home several times before, including in October when an arbor at the home was damaged.
Larry was upset. He blamed Donnie and Jake for it. He also said that the boss, Jamie, came up and replaced it or did some work and made it well.
Everything seemed fine, though, on March 6th. The detective testified everyone shook hands at the end of the day. The two contractors got in their vehicles. Montcalm told police he then heard two loud noises.
He looked up. At that time, he was shot twice. He exited the vehicle. While he was exiting the vehicle, he said he was continuing to be shot.
The detective said a doorbell camera captured what happened next.
Mr. Epstein approaching him with the firearm in hand, and it looks like a Ruger with the red and the extended barrel and the silencer on it. You can hear Mr. Epstein saying, "You killed my pets," firing several shots, and Donnie pleading for his life.
Stoddard says they found no evidence of any pets being killed. Montcalm ran to a nearby home and survived, but had been shot 7 times. Horn was found in his car with a gunshot wound and ended up dying. When questioned, Stoddard said Epstein gave his version of what happened after the men shook hands.
He turned back around and he saw that there was a hole in the window in the glass of the car, and that would have been the car Donnie was sitting in. He states that Donnie exits the car and runs into the corner of the yard. He turns and follows him up to the corner of the yard. When he does, Donnie picks up a metal pole. He said they had a gas lamp right on top of it and charged him with it. He said he backed off. Donnie took off running, ran up the street.
And the detective we heard from in court today also testified when questioned. Epstein said he did not shoot at the contractors. A magistrate court judge today, though, ruled there is enough evidence for this case to move forward. She sent it to Superior Court, and as of tonight, Epstein remains in the Cobb County Jail. Jeff.
All right, Joe. Joe Hinkie in Cobb County. Earlier this month, we spoke to the aunt of Jake Horn, the victim who died in the shooting. Lisa Godsey told us that Jake tragically lost his parents a few years ago. He then became the legal guardian of his now 18-year-old sister, Sadie. If found guilty, Godsey hopes that Epstein never leaves prison. But no matter the outcome, she says her family can never be fixed.
It's not going to bring Jake back. He really needs to suffer and realize what it is that he's done.
Jake died on what would have been his mother's birthday. Godsey says Jake saved lives through organ donation.